Hi, it's Kerry. Today we are looking at some magnificent animals. A yak, Cape buffalo, American bison, gaur, wild water buffalo, giraffes and lynx. Give a thumbs up if you like giraffes. Can you tell me, are there 5 or 7 birds in today's video? The distinctive patterns on a giraffe's fur helps camouflage it and protect it from predators. The giraffe blends in with the trees and bushes as its fur blends in with the shadows and sunlight. Male giraffes sometimes fight each other over a mate by swinging their necks and heads at each other. This is called necking. They are the world's tallest living land animals. An adult male can grow to around 5.5 meters. That's taller than 3 adult humans. Being tall is helpful for keeping a lookout for predators such as lions and hyenas. Their excellent eyesight allows them to spot hungry beasts from far away. For giraffes, drinking is one of the most dangerous times, for a giraffe cannot keep an eye out for predators and is vulnerable to attack. Giraffes are found in the dry savannas of Africa, where they roam among the open plains and woodlands. Giraffes are herbivores. Their favourite food is the acacia tree, and they use their long necks to reach the leaves and buds in the treetops. They use their long tongues to help them pull down the leaves growing way up high. Giraffes live in groups called towers, led by an adult male. Just checking out what's around there. And the baby giraffes. Giraffes get most of their water from their leafy meals and only need to drink once every few days. That is so cute. The female giraffes give birth standing up, which means the baby falls down onto the ground. Ouch! But these infants are quick to get on their feet. Within 30 minutes they are standing, and only hours later they are able to run with their mothers. The lynx is a member of the cat family and one of the bigger felines of Northern America. Lynx are best known for their short stubby tails and the long tufts of black hair on their ears. There are 3 different types of lynx: the North American lynx found in Canada and Alaska, the European or Iberian lynx found in Spain and Portugal, and the Asian lynx, which is found in Turkestan and Central Asia. The European and Asian lynx species are much smaller in size and have personalities that resemble those of a domestic cat rather than a large feline. I still don't think I'd keep one as a pet. Look at those ears. Wow. The Iberian lynx is the world's most threatened species of cat. It feeds mainly on wild rabbits and may bury uneaten prey to return to the following day. There are thought to be only 2 isolated breeding populations of Iberian lynx. It is mainly nocturnal and it is a solitary animal except during the mating season. Lynx are able to climb trees or swim in order to catch their prey. The lynx also has extremely acute hearing, which allows it to hear oncoming prey and predators over long distances. This is a Canadian lynx. It has black-tipped ears, long tufts around the face, long grey fur, a short tail with a black tip, and fur-covered feet with retractable claws. The lynx is a solitary cat and hunts at night. Their thick fur keeps them warm during the cold winters, and their large furry paws act as snowshoes. All lynx are skilled hunters that make use of great hearing. The tufts on their ears amplify their hearing, and they have extremely good eyesight. That must be a good smell. The wild water buffalo, or Asian buffalo, is the largest member of the Bovini tribe, which includes yak, bison, African buffalo, various species of wild cattle, and others. Their shoulder height can be up to 6.2 feet or 2 meters, and these mammals have sparse grey black coats. The males have backward curving, ridged horns which are 5 feet or 1.5 meters long. If you look carefully, you can see the deep ridges on the horns. Females have smaller horns. The gaur is the largest member of the bovine family. They are found in Nepal, India, Thailand, Malaysia, Myanmar, and China. They are often referred to as bison. The bulls can reach between 8 to 11 feet in length, which is 3.3 meters, and from 5 to 7 feet or 2.1 meters height at the shoulder. Females are much smaller. They have a reddish-brown coat, with the females and younger animals having lighter coats than the males. I love all the detail on this bull. It's really good. Those ears really stand out as well. Both males and females have upwardly curved horns. They can reach 45 inches or 1.1 meter in length. They are usually yellow in color with black tips. Gaurs have a deep hollow area on the forehead and a ridge in between their horns. The American bison. Bisons are the heaviest land animals in North America. They can grow to 6.5 feet or 2 meters tall at the shoulder and can weigh over a ton. Bisons can run at speeds of up to 40 miles or 65 kilometers an hour. They have curved, sharp horns that can grow to be 2 feet or 60 centimeters long. These large grazers feed on plains grasses, herbs, shrubs, and twigs. They regurgitate their food and chew it as cud before final digestion. Females and adult males generally live in small, separate bands and come together in very large herds during the summer mating season. The yak is a herding animal found in the mountainous regions of Central Asia. A herd may have 10 to 100 yaks, most of which are female. There are only a few male yaks in each herd. There is a large domestic population of yak, but only a few wild ones left. The yak is still used in many parts of Central Asia for pulling heavy farm machinery and for transporting goods through the mountains. All yaks have very long hair to keep them warm. The yak belongs to the same cow family as the Asian water buffalo, the African buffalo, and the American bison. Notice that the yak is slightly more like the American bison in appearance, as both the yak and the bison have long hair in order to withstand the colder climates. The Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is the only species of wild cattle found in Africa. It has a large head, broad chest, and very strong legs. Their body is covered with hair that can be brownish to black in color. It's also sometimes called the African buffalo, forest buffalo, and savanna buffalo. African buffaloes live in large herds in the sub-Saharan parts of Africa. Living in a herd means animals know the best feeding areas and sources of water Besides that, they are protected against predators. When faced with predators, the animals in the herd form a circle around the young, old or weak animals, pointing their large razor-sharp horns towards the predators. See how many names you can remember. Remember to tell me if there's 5 or 7 birds in today's video, and there's a fun ending coming up. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.